Right, here we go. She's hitting the tree. She just summoned a bottle out of that tree. What's that? Squirrel? You got a pet squirrel? Oh my god, you got a fluffy black squirrel. Who cares about the hack video? I want one of those. How cool is that? I love squirrels, especially the grey ones. They're the tastiest. Cordage out of plastic bottles, that works. You're eating tin fish. What are you going to do? You're not going to make a toilet roll volcano again. What is it with people cooking with their bog rolls? Use it to wipe your arse. Bag and a tree and a stick. Yeah, I'll do this. This works really well, but I've got my favourite tree with a branch sticking out that I use. What you doing? Gonna bake it and that. You're making a pot. I suppose that'll work. Can't see anything.